Nyamito Mugabi Clever James ajja wa Kabaka Mugoba Nsonga. Era nga nsibuka wano Uganda banzala Mpya. Kalino olwaleero essanyu linawulidde nange lyansusso olunaku nasooka okugenda mu COVID bwe nagenda e Juba. Nasangayo omukwano gwange tubadde ng'eyo. Owulidde. Kalina nawulidde ate essanyu nnyo nabadde ngenzera eggundu nga ate nze nzeeko Kampala. So I was so happy, I felt like turning again back because twali like one blood nga tuli eri. I wanted also to pay the same, you know. Can I call it friendship? Can I call brotherhood? Like that. Yesani no yenni nazi unakumba musanyu. Yeah.
Bamuyitani kotuletedde.
Sinze sichabaga anti mulisi. Mugambe nga kimunti Katonda watu babakoze. Ngama buyantwa ina ibwa mulisi. Bamitadde nge mtoto.
Akola biki?
Nasobola kweyogerera tukulu. Ndaba obuze wange.
Ngana naba kweyogerera nga mulinga abo Uganda.
Era bwe ngende Sudan bampita wa Luganda kinasalawo nakyo nkitwale.
South Sudan, not Sudan.
South Sudan when agendayo bampita, they call me their brother. So if you see some alike, don't say we are brothers and sisters here.
Okay.
Mbafana balinga ba Luganda.
What has brought you to Uganda?
My name is Ahmed Deng Williams. I'm South Sudanese nationalist. I'm the president of South Sudanese Artists Union. I'm also an artist, performing artist, not a comedian or anything. I sing all type of music. It's not my first time to stay in Uganda. I stay here, I have my family here, I have a lot of friends and all those.
So should we say that you've come to promote your music in Uganda?
Not to promote my music, already I have names. I cannot promote my music, but I can promote. But I just came here as a brother, as I said before. He mentioned it. I've received him there in South Sudan, and here in Uganda, I come here very freely. And it's not my first time to stay with Ugandan artists. I've been with different artists, including Baby Cool, the late Mr. X. Yeah, EDC Countdown, Sister Bafana, I made a collaboration with them. And Caesar Man is a good friend of mine, I can remember very well. And I have a lot of friends. Even the late radio, he knows me very well, who have been together for a certain time.
Okay, take us to the moment. How was the moment meeting Clever J?
Yeah, it was good.
Yes.
It was good. I thank God that the guy was celebrating when he met me for the first time. Okay, but not the first time, but he came to know me. We used to be having here South Sudanese night at Itebo. I don't know if you guys can remember.
Yeah.
This Kampala Road.
Yes.
Now it is turning to a sport meeting, whatever it is, which was owned by the guy called Simon, the guy who used to work at. Simon? Is it this? There was a club just near. I cannot recall the name, but Rouge, near Rouge.
Amnesia.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is also a good friend of mine. We saw most of the artists.
So how long have you spent in music?
I started my music in 1990.
1990?
Now, yeah.
Then how come that Uganda we don't know you?
Yeah, because of the
DJ
media problem. You know, in South Sudan we just came up, and we are very low in that. You know, with our media is so slow. So we are now trying to, on that field, we are trying to expose ourselves and all those things. And as the president of the union, I'm working hard to collaborate with our government, at least to put money in our association to make us to be known.
Okay, meeting Clever J from South Sudan at the same time you have come to Uganda, already with Clever J. What can you ask Clever J to help you?
Yeah, already we did a collab. We have a collab that is when people, we put it in Arabic. It is called Anina Kulu Wai. That's Arabic. Yeah, we are all one people. Africa. We don't mean Uganda and South Sudan. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we have that one.
What can you ask Clever J? Like right now in the camera, Chomo Sawa. What can you ask Clever J to help you here in Uganda?
In promoting your music.
Leave alone having a collab. What can you ask?
At first I want to let you know he's the president of music in Southern Sudan music.
Today in Uganda sebo.
He's the president of music in Southern Sudan. I think that for me what I know, he's a big man for music. If you start promote, I say you want me to promote it, then I'm total.
No, it can happen. No, it's possible.
Okay, it's like
Briefly.
What can you learn from here, and what can we learn
No,
from the music
you
industry
got
of South Sudan?
music is something that you cannot hijack, you cannot attack the music, but it's talent which is with you. Sometimes it happens in two ways. Either you got the words or the voice. Yeah, that's why we have composers in music. There are those people who write music, real music, when you don't know how to sing. Understand? But if you have a good flow of the voice, it can work out, isn't it? So here, I cannot say that I have to compare South Sudan music and all those things, because for us in South Sudan, the fact is that we are singing in something that you cannot even imagine. We talk about the story, the background of South Sudan. How did we liberate how did we liberate the country? We are singing the song that we traumatized. But here, you guys, you talk about Kabila. I don't know. See, you are too much in Jamaica. So for me, I have to say that in South Sudan we are talented. That's the truth. I can tell you. But due to the media, that we cannot show the world that we got the talent. That's the problem. But we have to wait. We are a very young nation, and that is it.
Now
So,
the media of Uganda now could also.
It is Ugandan music has gone far because of the what? Even though you sing nonsense or the truth, your fan will have to choose for you. But I cannot judge between South Sudan and all those things. Even though we are not hard, but when we are singing in our country, it means something to us.
Okay,
Would you mention for us few artists here in Uganda who are talented?
Yeah. Thank you so much for that question.
And those who are singing nonsense.
No one can sing nonsense.
Okay.
You see, nonsense, there's a person who like it. Yeah. Now, I can tell you, there is no one who will ever change Chameleon here. Chameleon grew up in Kenya. That's Ogofa DJ's record. If I'm lying, I know his first album, Mamma Mia. I can remember. Baby Cool, Awete. If you guys can remember, he was sure there was no studio here in Uganda, if I'm not lying. Michael Rose grew up also in Kenya. I know a lot of them. Yeah, that guy sings what concerns the people want in the society. Yeah, that's why you see him. He never changed. No artist will ever beat Chameleon, even though you come and say. That's what I'll give an example also to this guy from America. He's African American. That is Snoop Dogg. Snoop says those days when we used to rap, we don't say those words. I don't know what is the guy talking about.
You are mentioning, but
you wait. I'm coming. I've talked about Chameleon. Also, Baby Cool is also singing what is facing the community.
okay.
That's being talented.
Yeah.
And this also this young boy called Drew. There's this young boy here in Uganda. He's a Westerner. I forgot his name. I think you guys can guess. Simanyi, but I cannot remember very well. But that is the guy I can talk about.
You are not
But for us
talking about
here,
Clever J.
okay,
You have not mentioned Clever J.
Because I'm
No,
here.
wait. Clever J. I cannot mention it because I'll tell the truth. You have asked me.
Yes.
Clever J sang what is
What is
a variety. When it comes to the content of music and the contact, you have to to get to understand that there is a difference between what the community want and the variety in music. Clever J is a party animal.
There is an artist called Gravity Omutuju. Do you know him?
Very well.
How is he?
He's doing well, but I don't understand what he's
They
saying.
were asking about talented musicians, and they have told you Chameleon, Baby Cool.
And the other guy is a Westerner.
For me, I wanted to let Ugandans know.
Gravity know how to sing. Even him, he knows how to sing. Clever J know how to sing.
Clever J,
But what the delivery matters. Like for example, where we are right now, the services. Look at the services. How can you compare to any other places? What can I say? Do you want me to lie to you?
so you don't know what Clever J is. Sorry, you don't know what Gravity is singing.
I don't understand.
What?
He was talking about the bean. You know bean.
Janja.
Yes.
Am I lying?
But he has,
Isn't it?
He has the
Yes.
biggest song.
No.
Winner. It's an
I'm
inspirational
telling
song.
you, like me,
Don't you know Winner?
the first album I sang was all about the country.
But for him,
Are you
was
getting?
beans.
For him, it's not beans. What is wrong with beans?
Me, I want to come back for the talented musicians I've asked before.
Okay.
But I can see you want to say about Gravity's beans. Leave the Gravity's beans.
Okay.
Those are the talented musicians that he has mentioned. Me, I wanted all Ugandans to know that, man, when I went to South Sudan,
Yes.
I got excess love.
Yes.
Yeah, I met Yegase N'omusudan and told me when he's the president of Southern Sudan. I said, hey, man, okay, Pablo, this and this and this and this. Why, you are welcome. So when I had his already here, I told you I felt like I'm coming back again to welcome again him here. He has stayed here, but I've never seen him. I've never known since before. When I went in Sudan, I saw him. That's when I know. And I wanted to introduce Ugandans also to introduce my friend to Ugandans. That when I went in South Juba there, I got a friend. It's called Yegase N'omusudan.
The community. What do you think should be done to make your music penetrate?
For me, it is me to be committed. It is not someone to force me. You promote your music. Because I'm busy somewhere. Yeah, I take the music not as my career. Like for me, I don't mind about the shows. I don't mind about me going be on Facebook every day. That's why I'm not known.
You promote
I'm very
the
happy
music.
person. But there's time. There's time for everything.
Okay.
I'm responsible.
Give us a cappella.
Of your music, of your hit song.
No, I cannot say any song which is not eating. Every song is eating for any artist. That is the truth.
That's like
Okay,
beans.
give us your favorite song.
What?
Your favorite song you have.
My favorite song. I love all my songs because I'm not.
Okay, give us any. Give us
Any a cappella.
Any a cappella.
Can I give you?
Yes.
Cappella if you
Yeah,
like.
Nyankena bunga de boya. This is them Toto. I'm proud to be a William. My name is Williams. Yeah.
Hey, you
Me
know.
wanna tell them, with them boy you go around the street. Every day you go around the street, and that's that point we went the street, and not well to compete. Me fear none. That's the thing, man. That's how I
Kireba kino kigenda wo.
Sebo.
Oli gwolese president w'abayimbi
Yes.
ewaabwe.
Yes.
Wano tulina Cindy.
Yes.
Tolowooza nti nno wandi mu meetings za Cindy ne babako kye bakyusaako mu music industry.
Yes,
Kubanga
so-
agambye wano bayimba nnyo kubina.
eyo yensonga n'abaami ba Uganda nabo bwe banategeranga Yesu bajja kulaba nga kikwatiranga wamu. Kakati oyo mugambye wa music atwala mu music mu Uganda Cindy ono ye president w'eri naye ate bwe batuli wano mu Kampala sirabako bitambulanga Cindy abiteeka mu nkola. When I was in Juba, I met Silver X, but they were in Balinga Bali Mukoti. Silver X has done some vege things. They came and reported to the president of music, and they were there solving the solution. The matter. But here you say, the president of music and cannot do kind of like.
Uganda.
So if you say that the president, I say, well, hello. That's why I promote my Jesus than Cindy.
Kabenda resign.
Wanji katugambe mu Luganda ako.
Okupromotinga nnyo Yesu okusinga Cindy.
Okusinga kubanga kati Yesu wanga ntuusa okumitinga Yegase N'omusudan.
Olowooza Cindy alina kukola ki?
Alina okunayitinga abayimbi bonna bategere nti bwabanga music yamukutte ye president wa music n'ebizibu bya music yabisolvingi ng'ebyokutambuza music mu Kampala ebyokuma radio biki kusasula music opera nga betubiwulira abalina otuuza meeting wete abayimbi bonna babanga balina kyebakola ki kyebali okufa eri president oyo kino kinasanga Juba. That's what I found there.
Waliwo experiences ekembeera ng'omuyimba omuto temwagala muwa platform mwabakubako.
Embeera eri nakyo. If you find Chameleone was boxed before when he was singing his songs in the first person, they used to also to mock him. So I can't let you that you can remove this. That's the nature. What we have to do is promote Jesus Christ so that we can be brothers and sisters, so that everything we plan for it can go.
Bagamba Abannayuganda baba bagenda oyimba e South Sudan.
Yeah.
Nti oyimba naye ng'emmundu ziri wali eri we bagambye addamu n'otaddamu bagamba se tujja kuba amasasi.
What I know in Juba, I don't know banze bwendi neze njita love. They don't want anything to kumizi silama kumulala. But for me when I'm singing there, security jibampa enkumya dala mpaka ku stage. Ulwachi tebagala kintu kyonna kituuke ku muyimbi nga ava Uganda bakuprotectinga ddala bulungi.
Batugamba bagamba nti ako kanyumye kaddemu n'owaliza empaka bazikusongamu.
Lwaki tokaddamu oli waggume zebanga
Wano nga tebazibasongamu.
kuba temulina amamundu.
So Yegase N'omusudan.
Always open, as I said.
I have a collab
We have
with
a collab.
I have a collab with Yegase N'omusudan and I have
This is more Power Key. Yeah, I have a remix with him, but that's not a collaboration I can say. That's a remix. The song's already there.
Why don't you look for some big artists?
I don't know. The problem is this. Sometimes there's something I need to know. And thank you for that question. The Ugandan artists, most of the things they should know. The Ugandan music is selling in South Sudan only. This is for your awareness. I'm telling you the truth. I don't like it. But the fact is this: when you collaborate with the Ugandan artists, they don't even talk about South Sudan. You go there and make money. You come back here to your country and it's still. Do you know what is the tension now? Right now, what is going on? Tanzania is the one focusing. They promote, they talk about South Sudanese artists. Compared to Uganda, when we are very, very close here, how many hours can it take you here from Kampala to Juba? It's very simple, but you keep on ignoring. You just focus. Most of the artists, they focus on money, which is not talent. That's what I was talking about before. I highlighted you that there are those who have had to talk about it. Like now, you compared how many artists. Like we have our brother called John Prop. John Prop made it to collaborate with the first South Sudanese to collaborate with Tanzanian artists. That is Harmonize. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. The guy is talking about even he's going to have a show there. How many South Sudanese artists is Uganda? Is the Uganda country is hosting compared to any other promoter to bring any big artist? When you want all the artists from Uganda going there to South Sudan, why are they not going to Uganda? Tell me, calculate that, and how many times how many artists are being hosted in Tanzania?
So you feel you don't feel okay, Ugandans?
I'm not happy.
You are not happy?
Not even okay. I'm not happy at all. Not even happy. Not even okay. Because how do we receive you as a brother? In the end of the day, you don't give a hand. I give you, you give me. That is it. So that is why if I have to go for a collaboration, that thing has to be on media.
You have money.
Just be played here.
You guys, you have money. I saw last time
Every country have money.
Lydia Jasmine was sleeping in
Every
money
country
there.
have money. There is no country which is having no money. Compared to Uganda. Uganda is making more money compared to South Sudan.
You guys, you are richer than Ugandans.
South Sudan doesn't know how to tax.
But what happened? Like you people, you wanted to fight with Vink on stage last time.
No, that's not my beef.
When was
Personal
she was
issues.
performing?
You call him.
That's what I told you.
That's
what
not mine.
Next time I will come here with the AK-47. If you don't, you know. How can you ask that kind of question? We are here trying to make all the foundation of music to the higher level at least.
So you want to do any?
Like this one of this girl. I told you before. I've talked about Weasel and Lit.
They should ask for big artists.
We would have gone far.
Who is the small artist?
Yeah, I came to Uganda, May 28th of 2008. I was here.
Is fresh?
Are you getting? Everyone, there is no big artist here in the world. We are all big. But the thing is, that is depend with understanding. There are those who agree. I repeat. So if I go for big artist who is small now, they are all singing. They are on media. I cannot mention that one. There is big artist. Let's talk about the talent. I can understand.